everybody, I'm Sanjay and today I'm going to be solving the Rubik's Cube. Before we start this video, make sure to subscribe with notifications, share and add a comment if you like. Now let's just start with a little introduction. This channel is just about me doing some fun activities. So now I'm going to be solving the Rubik's Cube. It's the 3-letter one. So I'm going to be doing all sorts of fun. If you like this video, try to subscribe. Okay, so I'm going to be solving it. Timer. Okay, I did a stopwatch. Look. Can you see, guys? Okay, it's 0. So let's see how fast I can solve it. Okay? I'm going to do this. Hope you guys can see the cube. And if you like, guys, I could try to teach you and get the camera close to teach you to do the Rubik's Cube. I will try, okay? If you like. Okay, I'm going to start. In 3, 2, wait. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, timer started. Okay. Doing good. Now this is the second later one. This part we need to be a little bit careful. But since I practiced it, it's easy for me. It's pretty hard. Found it. Which part does it go back? Got it done. Now, what else is here? Yeah. And the blue thing. Oh no, you completed fast. I'm taking 1 minute though. Okay. Okay, now I gotta check the sides. This part takes some time. Okay. Done. See if the parts are right. Yes, 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 and yes. Good, now we can do the yellow part thing. Now we just need to solve the yellow on the bottom. It's a bit hard, don't get confused. I'm doing 2 minutes. Taking 2 minutes. Now this part, I almost got it solved. So stop. Okay, got the orange. Stop. Okay guys, I solved the Rubik's Cube. Look, I solved it completely. You guys saw it. And I took 3 minutes, 3 minutes and 9 seconds. 3 minutes, 9 seconds, okay guys? So that was it for this video. So I solved the Rubik's Cube. And peace out guys, and stay safe from coronavirus. And be careful, okay? Peace out. Bye.